Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our brand new billet aluminum lower steering column bearing for the 80 to 91 Ford trucks and Broncos. When you're restoring a classic Ford truck or Bronco, it's likely the steering column has developed a loose feel after enduring many miles of wear and tear over the years. Dennis Carpenter has just the answer for your 80 to 91 Ford truck or Bronco with our billet aluminum lower steering bearing. Made from solid premium billet aluminum, they are precision machined for a perfect fit and include a high-quality press-fit sealed roller bearing, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. This ensures a tight, no-flex fit and eliminates wobble and vibration, which provides significant safety improvement. They are far superior to the original plastic bearing and other stamped steel replacements on the market, and they come complete with the mounting hardware for a no-hassle installation. And as always, you can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.